Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick update on the Sparkle Shield. This is kind of a new format for me, trying to do updates through video rather than just text. But I was hacking on something new today and I wanted to show it off. It's not quite done, but it's in a demoable state. One of the things that I want to do for a while is make it easy to create your own animations on the Sparkle Shield, particularly for kids. I've had a number of kids buy the kit and put it together, often with parents' help. But creating cool animations in code is sometimes beyond some of the kids that have, or not beyond, but is challenging for some of the kids that have put one together. So I wanted to make it easy to draw your own pictures using the computer and turn them into animations and put them on the Sparkle Shield. And I thought a lot about how to do this. I didn't want to write a desktop application that I'd have to port between all the different platforms. So I wanted to do something on the web, and I found this really cool project called eyes, let's see, and a mouth. And then you can create animations. So let's see. You can create a new frame, and then it has all sorts of cool tools like move. I'm going to move him 1 pixel. And then you can see up here in the right corner, it actually is showing me a demo of the animation. I can slow it down if I want. And so we can keep doing that. So I'll copy this frame again and move it 1 more pixel, copy it again, move it another pixel. And now you can see he's nicely scrolling. And so let's maybe create 1 more and we'll start him earlier. And then we could actually make him scroll all the way off. So we can keep doing this. Until he's all the way off the screen. And actually, I just realized one problem. So, so now he's all the way off. The Piskel by default uses whoop. What's going on here? Oops. Oh, he's all the way zoomed in. Okay. Piskel by default uses a transparent background, but that doesn't work for at least the code I have written right now. I may change that in the future, but it needs to be black in the background. So let's quickly make that black. Okay. Whoops. Undo works, which is nice. And then we'll just go through all of these frames. And so I'm just using fill, which is super awesome. This far exceeds my expectations in terms of what sort of animator I was hoping to have. And then let's see, we'll do a fill in the black again. So now I'm going to have him start off the screen as well. This thing has keyboard shortcuts and all sorts of cool goodness. So I'm just hitting M to move the whole frame. And then that's it. Okay, so here's the part that that I'm still working on. So is the interface between this and Sparkle Shield. So the current way it works is this can export an animated GIF. So download a GIF. So this gives us an animated GIF, which we can then load, for instance, in here. You can see it's super tiny. Should be able to zoom in though. So you can see it's super tiny. It's only 7 pixels vertical by 10 horizontal, right? So then I have a little Python script, and this is the part that I want to change. So I have a Python script that takes in the animated GIF and, oops, off the screen here. Takes in an animated GIF and it spits out a header file, which has the frame data in it. So it's basically unpacking all of the frame data out of the GIF. That's for convenience because I don't really want to build animated GIF support directly into the Arduino. That just seems annoying and a pain. And then I have a sketch which loads in trash.h. We can look at trash.h. It's basically just like a giant hex dump of the frames. And each of these is a pixel, so it's RGB in hex. There's probably a more efficient way to do this, but it works. And then I have my animation code here that loads it. So anyway, let's fire it up. So let's upload it to the Arduino. And then whoop, we can see the animation here on Sparkle Shield. It's a little bit bright for this camera, but you get the basic idea. Maybe if I get it closer, it will correct. There we go. You get some sense of it. Maybe I can focus this. I don't think so. Okay. Anyway, you get some sense of it. So what I want to do is streamline this whole thing so that on this dialog box for exporting, I want to add the option to download it as an Arduino sketch, or download at least that header file, and then you can just load it directly onto the Arduino using the Arduino IDE. So I want to add another option here, maybe another button. So that's my project for tonight/tomorrow. Anyway, I thought it was cool, and yeah, I wanted to share it with all of you. Stay tuned. I've got some other stuff that I'm working on too. I'm also doing another batch of kits. Set the camera back up here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll post more to Facebook and YouTube as I go along. I've got a couple more things planned for the Sparkle Shield, and I'm working on a new batch of kits. So I sold most of the kits that I'd made at Chaos Congress, which was super fun, and people seemed to have a really good time making them and programming them. So yeah, stay tuned.